Nova Aviation presents a 1981 Cessna 182 for your inspection. November 5497 November presented here features a rebuilt Continental 230 horsepower power plant. Total time since overhaul is 5 hours. At cruise, the plane will fly 130 knots per hour. Fuel consumption for this airplane is 13 gallons per hour at cruise. The two-bladed prop is in excellent condition and only has 1,050 hours on it. The total capacity of this aircraft is 92 gallons. The overall paint job is excellent, rated at 9 out of 10. Interior features brand new Italian glove soft leather seats with new sculptured carpet and a customized center console armrest to provide comfort for those long trips. Aircraft is equipped with full functioning avionics both for VFR and IFR flights.
County Park Airport, Lantana. Automated weather observation 1536. Blue, wind 100 at 8, visibility 0500. Scattered temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 00 at 7, visibility 105,000.